Okay, what's up guys? Today's video we'll be teaching you a tutorial on how to get void scope for free. So first you're gonna go to your search bar and just search up void scope. Or my bad. Void scope. Then go here and then free free MMF. You need to be 16 plus to play this. So make a 16 plus account. And then yeah, you have custom cursors. Custom cursors. And you have like these settings. You can like show your hitboxes too. Wait, no, this is the admin. This right here. And yeah, you can change your thing. You can make it yellow and make it say admin. You see void scope. Oh yeah, this also has matrix scope. It should. Yeah, right here. Matrix scope. So yeah. And yeah, you can also have no cursor. And yeah, there's also outfits. So yeah.
You're throwing it away.
So and yeah, there's also this custom thing, and there's like custom things like here. There's a settings, and I think there's cross chairs. These you already have them. You already have these. Except, I don't think you have the band hammer. I don't really think that. But yeah, the void scope does have its sound. The void scope has its sound. And also the matrix scope. It has its sound. So yeah, next time I get Robux, I'm gonna get this and this. Plus, they're cheaper. The admin is cheaper, way cheaper. It's only 700 Robux. And yeah, I'm sure y'all. And yeah, you can now buy a matrix scope, coma, and a void scope. So yeah, that's all I have to say. A void scope and matrix scope montage. So yeah.